Hey guys, welcome back. Today let's prepare chicken malai tikka, which is very simple and easy to prepare, and this recipe is one of my favorite, and you can prepare this with very minimal ingredients which you can find in your kitchen, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it too. So to start with, we will need 500 grams boneless chicken cut into medium-sized tikka pieces. Now we need to marinate the chicken with 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, some salt as per your taste. Mix all this together and set it aside for a minimum of 30 minutes. In another bowl, take 3/4 cup of plain yogurt, half cup cream cheese. You can also grate and use processed cheese if you don't have cream cheese. Half teaspoon nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, a little salt, 2 teaspoons of coriander leaves and green chili paste, and mix all the ingredients together. Add the tikka which was marinated earlier. Mix everything well so that the chicken pieces are well coated with the marinade. Set this aside for at least 4 to 5 hours in the refrigerator. Here I have wooden skewers which I have soaked in water for about 15 minutes. Skewer the chicken pieces onto the wooden sticks. Keep the leftover marinade aside, don't throw it out, we would need it to use it for later. To fry them, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan and place the skewered chicken and roast on a medium heat. Turn them and cook evenly on all sides. Apply the marinade on both sides after turning and cook them for about 15 minutes on medium heat until it's evenly brown. Once the chicken is cooked, you can infuse it with smoke to get barbecue flavor, but this step is optional. Fire up a small charcoal directly on the gas stove till it starts glowing to infuse smoke to the chicken. In a pan, transfer the cooked chicken by leaving some space in the middle to place a small steel bowl. Transfer the hot charcoal in the bowl with the help of a tongue and add a little ghee on the burning charcoal and cover it immediately with a lid. Infuse with smoke for about just 10 minutes. Our chicken malai tikka is ready. Dish out and enjoy it hot with some green chutney. That's it for today guys. I hope you really like this recipe. Feel free to leave your comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and bye.